case you need your gele to be tight.
Deputy,
Looking good and looking nice.
deputy,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
deputy.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that their beauty is only specialized in makeup and hair, now let me shock you. Ha. We in that beauty studio, we are also specialized in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeups, guillotine, and a lot more. Just call